Today we will do loading, discharging bulk cargo in rain. Now, if you are loading certain types of cargo which are not affected by rain, for example, coal, iron ore, then in slight rain there is no problem. But in moderate rain, heavy rain, you have to stop loading because the hatch might get flooded, and then when you go to discharge port, the last remaining cargo might not be discharged because of too much of water. Discharging, same thing, slight rain, if for certain types of cargo which are not affected, is no problem. Moderate rain or heavy rain, stop. Same reason. Now, certain types of iron ore and coal, group A, they are liable to liquefy. So these groups of cargo, when you are discharging, or let's say loading, when you are loading and you have this type of coal or iron ore which are liable to liquefy, that is group 8. So even in slight rain, there cannot be discharged. Loaded. But for discharging is no problem in slight rain, even for group A cargos. Now another problem in moderate or heavy rain for iron ore fines, if you are discharging by crane and using a conveyor belt. So if you continue discharging in moderate rain, heavy rain, the iron ore fines might become wet. So another problem is when you discharge in a belt and the belt starts moving and you have iron ore, the iron ore does not move when it is wet, too much wet. So that is another problem. Why it doesn't move? Because there is less friction between the wet iron ore and the belt. Less friction. But when it is dry, there is no problem. There is friction, and once the belt moves, the iron ore also moves. So if you have this problem, you are discharging in moderate rain and the cargo is not moving, that delay can be on ship's account. So that is another problem with discharging in moderate rain.